We are in Nagercoil market and we are going to buy a Briyani vessel. We are making biryani, and for that we have come for vessel shopping. We saw some urli. It starts from 6,500 and it goes up to 10,000 rupees. But we have got a smaller one for 3,000 rupees and another one with less weight for 800 rupees. We are in Arya Bhavan, Nagercoil, Camp Road. For a long time, I wanted to make biryani using wood fire. So here we are. We just bought a 10-liter vessel made up of bronze to make biryani. We collected some wood and this is going to be a special biryani which we are going to make at home. We are planning to go to the canal which is nearby and have our biryani after a bath.
What about that and it's more interesting?
Meena wide visit.
There is a small cemented canal which acts like a swimming pool because there is cement in the bottom. But the purpose of this is to take water for the agriculture. And we found this place 2 days back when me and Meena had come out for a tea. So we are going to take bath today. This is one famous canal here in Nagercoil where a lot of local comes to take bath. And ever since I found this place, this has become my favorite spot. And almost every evening before the sunset, we come here for an hour, just dip inside the water, spend some time. It's fun. Plus it's free.